This is M11 to Riverbank 145th Street. This stop is Bethune Street and Greenwich Street. Next stop, Greenwich Street and Horatio Street. This stop is Greenwich Street and Horatio Street. Next stop, West 14th Street and 9th Avenue. Transfers available to M12, M14 ASBS and M14 DSBS. This stop is West 14th Street and 9th Avenue. Next stop, West 14th Street and 10th Avenue. Transfers available to M12 and M14 DSBS. This stop is West 14th Street and 10th Avenue. Next stop, 10th Avenue and West 16th Street. This stop is 10th Avenue and West 16th Street. Next stop, 10th Avenue and West 19th Street. Transfers available to M12 and M14 DSBS. This stop is 10th Avenue and West 19th Street. Next stop, 10th Avenue and West 21st Street. This stop is 10th Avenue and West 21st Street. Next stop, 10th Avenue and West 23rd Street. Transfer available to M23 SBS. This stop is 10th Avenue and West 23rd Street. Next stop, 10th Avenue and West 25th Street. This stop is 10th Avenue and West 25th Street. Next stop, 10th Avenue and West 27th Street. This stop is 10th Avenue and West 27th Street. Next stop, 10th Avenue and West 30th Street. This stop is 10th Avenue and West 30th Street. Next stop, 10th Avenue and West 34th Street. Transfers available to 7 train and M34 SBS. This stop is 10th Avenue and West 34th Street. Next stop, 10th Avenue and West 37th Street. This stop is 10th Avenue and West 37th Street. Next stop, 10th Avenue and West 40th Street. This stop is 10th Avenue and West 40th Street. Next stop, 10th Avenue and West 42nd Street. Transfer available to M42. This stop is 10th Avenue and West 42nd Street. Next stop, 10th Avenue and West 45th Street. This stop is 10th Avenue and West 45th Street. Next stop, 10th Avenue and West 47th Street. This stop is 10th Avenue and West 47th Street. Next stop, 10th Avenue and West 49th Street. Transfer available to M50. This stop is 10th Avenue and West 49th Street. Next stop, 10th Avenue and West 53rd Street. This stop is 10th Avenue and West 53rd Street. Next stop, 10th Avenue and West 55th Street. Transfer available to M31. This stop is 10th Avenue and West 55th Street. Next stop, 10th Avenue and West 57th Street. Transfers available to M12, M31 and M57. This stop is 10th Avenue and West 57th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 59th Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 59th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 62nd Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 62nd Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 65th Street. Transfer available to M66. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 65th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 67th Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 67th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 69th Street. Transfers available to M5, M5 Limited, M7 and M104. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 69th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 72nd Street. Transfers available to 1, 2 and 3 trains, M5, M5 Limited, M7, M57, M72, M104 and BXM2. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 72nd Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 75th Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 75th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 77th Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 77th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 79th Street. Transfer available to M79 SBS. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 79th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 81st Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 81st Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 83rd Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 83rd Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 86th Street. Transfer available to M86 SBS. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 86th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 89th Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 89th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 91st Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 91st Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 93rd Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 93rd Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 96th Street. Transfers available to M96 and M106. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 96th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 98th Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 98th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 100th Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 100th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 102nd Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 102nd Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 104th Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 104th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 106th Street. Transfers available to M7 and M116. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 106th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 109th Street. Transfers available to M4 and M4 Limited. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 109th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 112th Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 112th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 114th Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 114th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 116th Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 116th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 118th Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 118th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 120th Street. Transfer available to M60 SBS. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 120th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 123rd Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 123rd Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and LaSalle Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and LaSalle Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 125th Street. Transfers available to M60 SBS, M100, M101, M101 Limited, M104 and M125. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 125th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 129th Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 129th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 131st Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 131st Street. Next stop, West 135th Street and Amsterdam Avenue. Transfers available to M100, M101 and M101 Limited. This stop is West 135th Street and Amsterdam Avenue. Next stop, West 135th Street and Broadway. Transfers available to one train, M4, M4 Limited, M5 and M5 Limited. This stop is West 135th Street and Broadway. Next stop, West 135th Street and Riverside Drive. Transfers available to M5 and M5 Limited. This stop is West 135th Street and Riverside Drive. Next stop, Riverside Drive and West 137th Street. This stop is Riverside Drive and West 137th Street. Next stop, Riverside Drive and West 139th Street. This stop is Riverside Drive and West 139th Street. Next stop, Riverside Drive and West 142nd Street. This stop is Riverside Drive and West 142nd Street. Next stop, Riverside Drive and West 144th Street. Transfer available to BX19. This stop is Riverside Drive and West 144th Street. Next stop, Riverbank and State Park. Transfer available to BX19. This stop is Riverbank and State Park. This is M11 to Riverbank 145th Street.